Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own fried chicken strips at home. To start off with, you want to heat your oil in a cast iron skillet, and I heat mine over medium heat, so go ahead and get that started. Then we'll go ahead and get our chicken strips ready. I use pie plates to do this in. I have a few of these. I got them, I think it was like 50 cents each at Goodwill. They're really cheap at Goodwill. I'm pouring some milk in the plate. Then I will add some lemon juice. This is a buttermilk substitute, so if you don't have buttermilk on hand, you can always mix milk and lemon juice together and let it sit for a few minutes until it thickens a little. You can also do that with milk and vinegar. Then crack an egg into the milk, mix it all together, and then add the chicken strips to the milk mixture. In the other pie plate, I'm adding 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, some crushed hot pepper flakes, some basil, some garlic powder, some paprika, and some salt and pepper. You can use whatever seasonings you like. Mix it all together. Then you're just going to dip the chicken into the flour mixture and make sure it's coated on all sides. As I coat them, I set them to the side. I want them all to be coated before I start dropping them into the oil. That way they all cook the same amount of time. You want to test the oil to make sure it's hot enough. If you drop some flour in, it should sizzle. If it doesn't sizzle, it's not hot enough. That looks like it's ready, so I'm going to start dropping my chicken strips into the oil. These boneless chicken strips don't take long to cook. I do about 2 to 3 minutes each side or until they're golden brown. Once they are done, remove them from the skillet and place on a paper towel lined plate. Then you want to serve it with your favorite dipping sauces. These definitely get the drill-worthy stamp of approval. Stay tuned Saturday for another cooking short and then Monday for the Lake Hill City Birds. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.